walking down the rails, trying to reach the light. Looking down the cliffs, shining blue in my mind. Should I walk through into the light? Should I mix black and blue tonight? So dark, I find it so confusing to fall back into dark thoughts and black. Changes all my thinking, leaves a gap in my song. Black and blue takes the thoughts back to you, and I don't know what to do. Fall into blue, blue and black, walking on the wrong track, trying to find the way back. Fall into black, trying to sail out, but there's no wind anymore. What's a day about if I sleep on the floor? Should